And we have the start for F250 and looks like Max Cremona is taking the lead place and Todorov on the outside. But for the third place, there will be Alex Cremona, I believe, and number 22, or was it? Did something happen? I did not see. Let's see. That's for sure. Alex Cremona is leading, but we have a third place fight. Oh, it's probably Pete Neidel, yes. Pete Neidel, who is fighting off with Alex Cremona for the third place, but looks like Pete Neidel has it for now. And there we have Jonas Lember, our Frankenstein, going outside of a boat. he actually just overtook one boat. You can see there on the inside, but let's focus on the important stuff also. It is Alex Cremona and whoever Pete Neidel, I believe. Maybe. No, it's Thomas Mantrip even. Oh, very close racing between these two guys. Oh, and Alex Cremona gets away a little bit better and actually a lot better, and he's gone there for that place. But in the back we can see that Jonas Lember might have a guess for is it then Thomas Mantrip's place? I am a little bit confused, to be honest. It's probably still Pete Neidel and Alex Cremona fighting. Yeah, Pete Neidel and Alex Cremona are fighting, not Mantrip. Yeah, number 17, Pete Neidel. And there is... Yes, it is how you see the timetable. But it is interesting to see again. We have Wayne Turner and Jonas Lember fighting off for a sixth place again. Also, we can see that Alex Cremona is catching up to Pete Neidel a little bit. But just a little bit. But yeah, we can see again Wayne Turner and Jonas Lember are fighting it off side by side again. And there they are. Jonas Lember has passed Wayne Turner. And he is turning in pretty hard. It's not easy for Wayne Turner at all to keep that inside line. Right now it seemed a little bit easy, but it actually is not, especially in the Jedi corner. Let's see now. Wayne Turner might have a little bit more top speed, but just a little bit. And yeah, he's fighting off Wayne Turner. He's turning on Wayne Turner on the inside. And yeah, looks like Jonas Lember just has that momentum, but he does not. Wayne Turner gets a lot better acceleration from that corner. And now Jonas Lember is trying to get side by side with Wayne Turner. They are going approximately 157 kilometers per hour right now. And Jonas Lember has 1 kilometer more, and he's going into that turn on the outside, but with a little bit time privilege. And let's see, it goes to the next corner again between these two guys. It's Wayne Turner on the inside and Jonas Lember with the cockpit on the outside. And they are coming again into the Jedi turn. Jonas Lember drifts outside a little bit. Looks like right now that turner is Wayne's. But Jonas is nowhere far away. He's breathing into the ass of Wayne Turner right now. It is only a matter of milliseconds. At the same time, we have Kontento and Nikolov, who have taken away it. But looks like Jonas Lember has gained a position for now. For this straight, he has that position from Wayne Turner, the sixth position. It looks like the most wanted position here today. And Wayne Turner on the inside just does not get that acceleration right now. And Jonas Lember is now going to close that door, maybe, or maybe not. We will see in a matter of seconds. Wayne Turner is there on the inside. Jonas Lember throws still a pretty big line, but Wayne Turner does not. And oh my God, it's going to be a finish flag on this straight, and it looks like Jonas Lember is going to take it first, and it's sixth place for Jonas Lember. And yes, it is. It's about 5 or 6 boats that separated these two guys, and it is Jonas Lember who took the sixth place. But we must give the away the first place also, which in my to my knowledge was Max Cremona on the second place, Nikola Todorov, and third place Alex Cremona, with Nigel being on the fourth place. I don't know how the points right now play up, but this will be it, and it is Max Cremona who takes the third win of the weekend here in Jedovnice. Congratulations to him. Looks like Emil Emilov is still doing some laps of honor. But yeah, this is done for now.